You guys see the seam sealer right here? I have to reproduce that seam.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already yo. So when you just getting out of the
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got hit down low in this quarter panel extension down here. So this one is gonna get a new quarter panel, which I have right here. So I have this one all fit together, and then I will put this back on permanently and get it welded together. So I have to reproduce, you guys see the seam sealer right here? I have to reproduce that seam on this side. So I'm gonna tape it off. Now this is 3M heavy bodied seam sealer I have here. Then I'm gonna spread this out, and if I need to, once it's dry, I'll run some sandpaper over it just to knock the top off. There it is. I'll let that dry. Then I will take just some 180 grit and run over it quickly to smooth it out, and it will look good. Now this is epoxy primer. I'm gonna put down where the window urethane goes, where the back glass glues in. This is how they recommend gluing any type of glass, and they want it on top of epoxy like this.